Hey, I decided I was going to do a video podcast today. Um, uh, well, I just don't have the microphone with me right now, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm doing a video podcast. Um, so I decided to change my mind with projects. I'm going to go with a bit more involved, but simpler in my mind type of idea. Instead of building a secret knock detecting door lock, I'm actually going to build my own Arduinos, plural. Yeah, you heard me, plural, and they're going to be fully addressable like a real one, and I can place them anywhere and run them like, because they'll be real Arduinos. So my first idea was to do what's called a paper Arduino. That's this guy right here, where it's actually made out of paper, and you just put the microcontroller in the middle, and you got your pins and your power and your programming cable. But the problem with this is it doesn't accept shields, and I have a really nice proto shield that I like to use with my Arduino, and keep it easily breadboardable. So I decided I'm going to go with these guys. These are easy Arduinos, and the cool thing with these is they're not paper. I mean, this one is, but what I did is last night I ordered a bunch of parts on Jameco Electronics, and I ordered all the components, and as well as some copper clad board. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the toner transfer method to transfer the toner printed on a piece of photo paper. Use an iron, and I'm going to get it on the copper board, and then I'm actually going to etch the board myself and drill the holes all by myself, with a Dremel. And then I'm going to go in and solder all the components and hope it works, because that's what we're all going for. So I actually ordered enough parts for 3, so I'm going to start with 1. Hopefully that'll work, and if I can't seem to get those to work, I might even design my own. We'll see, but for right now, I'm going to stick with the Easy Arduino design. I ordered some AVRs. I ordered 3 Arduino compatible microcontrollers, ATmega 328s, which are what's in my Arduino Uno right now. The only difference between making my own and the professionally manufactured one is I'm not going to get the neat solder mask and stuff here, so I'll probably have to put a piece of when I'm done soldering, I'll put a piece of plastic over it so it doesn't corrode or short out. But the other thing is it doesn't have a USB adapter on these guys, which is fine because I have an Arduino. That's a USB serial converter. So all I have to do to program this guy is basically run a couple jumpers from that programming port to this programming port and program it the same way I'd program the other one. But when I purchased the microcontrollers, I purchased them unbootloaded, so that means that I actually have to go in and add the bootloader myself. But lucky me, I already own an Arduino, so some guy wrote a sketch, Arduino ISP, where I can just program the bootloader right onto my AVRs using an Arduino. And it's really neat because it saved me like $2 or $3 on each microcontroller, and I bought 3 of them, so that's $6 or more math. So yeah, that's my project status so far. I should be expecting those parts in the next 2 weeks maybe. I got to talk to a couple people. I got to get some muriatic acid, and I have to go get some photo paper. But other than that, I'll keep you updated. I'll try and get a better camera. I'm sorry I'm doing this on my iPhone. I'll try and get a better camera. I'll try and record the whole thing. That'd be so cool. But no promises. All right, so that's it for today. I'll post in a couple days.